Alright guys, welcome. We're on an adventure here today with my dear friend Roger. And we have Michael back there. No pets today. Say hi, Roger.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing like putting everybody on the spot. So we're at the waterfalls, guys. Let's go check it out.
The landslide in Mexico.
The landslide in Mexico, yeah. All right, Chicos, I'll drop the link to the location where we're at here. It's about an hour outside of Jalapa. It was a pretty good drive, a few potholes and whatnot. People were passing us like crazy because I'm driving like a grandpa because I don't know the roads, but it's pretty beautiful back here, very lush, very, very lush. Nobody here, but this, it looks like this is where we're supposed to pay though. Yeah, that is totally a natural spring for sure. All right, Chicos, you can hear the falls. I love how the moss is all growing through the bricks here. Looks nice. You got a bunch of cactuses here. Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Nicely stacked wood. All right, so wheelchair accessible, guys. All right, guys, looks like we got the bar down here. The bar is open. They knew Roger was coming, so they decided to open early. I could go for a cold cerveza. Buenos días. They got a restaurant here as well. She's just getting set up there. The bathrooms are that way. I don't think she's quite open yet, but getting ready to open. Here's the restaurant. Right over there, you can see the sign, Restaurante. Oh, look at the old fireplace there. That is so awesome. Well, that's where the wood is going right there. That's for the wood. Very, very cool. I love this piece of wood here too. That's awesome. Very, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, they're just getting set up, guys. They're waiting for us. Just opening up. Oh, we got tables here too. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, this is a pretty sweet spot up here. And only an hour from Jalapa, and the road was pretty decent actually. We're gonna walk over there, guys. There's the path over there. There you go, guys. Check it out. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the water just pouring from there. Wow. Look how clean that water is, man. That's fresh mountain water right there, Chicos. Oh, they got another trail way up there too. Salida is exit. Entrada is entrance. Little walking path here. Very nice, man. We've had a lot of rain lately, so the water's flowing pretty good, I think, because of it. Look at this. Wow. Freaking awesome. Look at that, eh? Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Amazing. Nice here, boy. Oh, look at the water, eh? You can see all the teal blue there.
Yeah.
Nice.
I told them it almost looks like they put dye in it or something.
Yeah, it
right?
does, right? Yeah. All right, Chicos, isn't this beautiful? Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this, please and thank you. Thanks for joining me today on this adventure. We really appreciate it. Sadly, little Jennifer and little Cece couldn't be with us today. Just the guys' day out, but man, is it beautiful. And she'll have the videos and pictures to look at when I get back home tomorrow afternoon, Chicos. So we're gonna spend the night. We're gonna head to an Airbnb. I'll drop the location and all that on the next video where we're going. And be sure to check back for that video, my friends. We're gonna go to some ruins overlooking the Gulf of Mexico. And also we'll do a little Airbnb tour and document our travels today and tomorrow, my friends. So looks like you can go swimming here as well. They got the life buoy there. So got a little swimming hole. If you wanna go in here, you're more than welcome to. And we have the whole place to ourselves. Look at this. What a beautiful area. I'm surprised there's not more people here. Like, this is untouched beauty, man. I'm sure the locals come here. It's probably a lot busier on the weekend. Like, people would come here from Jalapa and that, you know, even Veracruz, I would imagine. Oh, the boys are gone in the water. Okay. The boys are swimming. Perfect. Look at this. So nice, man. Oh my God. This is paradise. It is paradise. That's paradise, eh, brother? I'm a loss for words. I don't even know what to say. It's so beautiful. So pure. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get in the water here with the boys. Go for a little dip. Alright guys, the water is freezing.
Oh, don't exaggerate.
Oh, it's like an ice cube. It is. It's like mountain water. It is definitely mountain water. All right, guys, wasn't that amazing? Let's go for a walk here and explore more of this beautiful area. Stick around, my friend. She's not over yet. All right, chicos, let's make our way back now. Walk across the little bridge here. Check that out, man. It's so cool. All right, now looks like you got another bridge here that is open. I don't know if I trust that thing. Enter at own risk type thing. Oh, this is quite beautiful over here. Oh, it's open. Let's go up there, guys. Check it out. Okay, we sent the heaviest guy across first to see how he does. Oh, it looks like it's holding up. Yeah, we should be okay. Okay, we'll go. Roger, off.
Let's see if it really will hold it.
Yeah. Ooh, check this out, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Little hot tub for Roger there, but a cold tub. There's a few people here now, guys. All right, chicos, there's the Massive Waterfalls right there. Let's go, let's go. All right, guys, I'm feeling the spray now, man. All right. Woo! He's mucky. Absolutely beautiful. Here. Wow. Amazing, guys. You gotta come to Veracruz, chicos. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna go into the restaurant now and just grab a quick bite to eat. Sit over here so we can hear the waterfalls and see the waterfalls. Table number 2 looks amazing with a beautiful view. For a shrimp taco, it's 20 pesos. I wasn't reading that or anything. Let me just take that from you. So I got the usual Huevos Rancheros, what I always get, guys, 100 pesos, and that's it. And the beans are on this side. Normally I get tortilla chips with it, but they didn't give me any. Obviously got little tortillas under here, but 100 pesos, a little bit pricey, but it's okay. Beautiful company, beautiful view. All right, guys, that's it, that's all. Thank you so much for following us today. We're gonna avoid the landslide here. So, God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hasta luego. Wonder where that road goes. Let's not find out. Look at that, eh? Excelente.